What's good, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. If I look a little tired, it's because I'm recording this video for the third time now because I did some mistakes on the other videos, but whatever. I am making another video, and what better way to do another video after months than showing you my worst week so far after a long time. We broke some rules, we made A+ setups, but still lost, and I'll show you exactly why. I should know how this goes now because I've done it for the third time now. Let's move to Tuesday, okay? Let's first go on the high time frame to confirm our bias for the day, all right? Because I love doing it so much. And as you can see on Tuesday, we were in a clear downtrend. We were disrespecting bullish, we were respecting bearish, and we had this target right here, which I was looking at. And yeah, and I took shorts. I took shorts today. I took one short. And I still lost. How can I have a right bias? How can I be 100% short on a day, shorted and still lose? I'll show you right here, and it is right in front of my screen. You can see it right here. We have so we open up. I wanted to see a retrace in a higher time frame imbalance for us to then respect it, sweep some liquidity, and then make an imbalance. My setup. Okay, you're probably familiar with it. And we do just that, and we make an inverse. We retrace, we make an inverse, and we aim for all of these lows right here. So what am I doing? I am shorting this bitch. I am shorting this so much. Oh my god. And I thought I hit a Jenny right here. Wait, am I on the S&P 500? I'm on the S&P 500. I am not gonna re-record this video. The S&P 500 almost looks the same as the Nasdaq, okay? So okay, on the Nasdaq we do just that. We sweep up higher. We go into an imbalance, and oh my god. And we have this inverse right. Oh my god, I can't believe this. And we have this inverse right here, and I shorted this, and I thought I made a Jenny. We have this inverse right here. Okay. So you can guess, if you were on the charts, you can probably already guess why I lost this trade. Because when you look at the 2 minutes, you can see we clearly had a bullish imbalance right here, which we clearly respected. And I wasn't really paying attention to it. My lame ass was not paying attention to this because I was so focused on this A+ setup on the 1 minute that I totally forgot to check other time frames. And if I would have just checked the time frame, I could have still made some good money, because we respect on the 2 minute, we get back up higher, sweep further highs, and then we present the same setup again, but this time it was for sure. Why did I not take this trade? Oh my god, the face cam and everything. Why did I not take this trade? Because I have a one set limit of trades a day. I don't know if this was proper English, but I have a one trade maximum a day, and for this day it was a loss. And so I could have just, I was already on a walk, so I wasn't even on the charts there anymore. I was already upset enough. No, I was not upset of this because it was still actually a good trade. I was just too lame. Okay. Next trade was on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, as you can see, same scenario as on Tuesday, but this time we were in a clear uptrend. So we were disrespecting bearish, we were respecting bullish, we had these relatively equal highs to the upside. We had this huge imbalance on the higher time frame, which we were pretty certain to at least reach to over the span of this week. And I want to walk you right through the trade because, as I just said, the bias was clearly long. And I took a short. On Tuesday, I took a short because I was short, still lost. And on this day, I broke my most significant rule and lost because of it. Because for some reason, I changed my bias over the day. We go down, we sweep, and as you can see, The 1 minute was in a clear uptrend already after sweeping the previous low, after sweeping the 930 wick, because we were clearly respecting, even on the lower time frame, we were respecting bullish PD arrays. Why the hell would I be looking at shorts right here? We swept out 930 open, and we made this inverse happening right here. And for that time, I was just peeking at my monitor and I saw the bearish SMT on the S&P, which, by the way, didn't hold afterwards. But even me, as the good trader I am, I FOMO'd into the trade and I took a loss on it. And this was all of the trades that I took this week, because I have a clear rule that if I make 2 losing trades in a row in a week, I must punish myself by not trading for the entire week, and this is exactly what I did. Before I end the video, and I will still give you guys advice. I will still give you guys advice that I've learned from this week. But first, I want to go through my analysis. Okay, so this week I have already called out that I wanted to see these lows get taken out, because on right here, and I thought that after the war in the Middle East, that we would have a good chance that we might want to get some volume, and that we might want to go ahead. And why is okay, it's right here. And we might want to go ahead, we want to sweep out this trendline liquidity. We had this bearish imbalance on the daily after respecting this imbalance right here on the daily. So I thought, okay, we are clearly, even though it looks like a chop, but to me we were respecting bearish, sorry. So I thought that we might want to go ahead and we want to sweep out this trendline liquidity. And we did a little bit of that, and I called it out on my Telegram, I called it out on my Instagram, on my stories, like, not calling it out, but I just shared my analysis. And we actually took out this low and this low, but not this low or these relatively equal lows, to be more correct. Instead, we go ahead and we trend back up higher for the week, and we go right back into this huge consolidation. And at this point, I just said, okay, I don't want to pick directions anymore, because this is a clear job. What I want to see now in the market is for us to finally, at some point, get a break below or above and look for further expansion into a given direction. And I just hope that happens. It will happen at some point. Okay, so this is everything. Now, what have we learned? Even I want you guys to know that trading and personal life is in a clear connection. If your personal life is a little messed up right now, if your head is a little messed up right now, it will 100% go to your trading. Okay? So, before you go in a session, you should ask yourself, am I in the right state of mind? Because on the trade where I broke my rules, I was not in the right state of mind, and so it happened. And what you guys should also know, that even after 4 years of experience, you can still make mistakes. But why I love this game so much is because you will always learn from your mistakes. If you learn from them, of course. But if you keep staying in the game and you keep learning from your mistakes, the better you'll get. With that word, peace out.